Hello and welcome back to another video of Learning English with Alex. Today we're going to go over a grammar point that is very useful. It will help you move your intermediate English to that advanced English level. If you are new to this channel, it really is helpful if you go back and watch our previous videos because all of the videos are done in sequence. If you're not familiar with the word sequence, it's a synonym to something like in order. So they're done in order. They're done in sequence. We started with nouns, then verbs, then adjectives, then adverbs, then synonyms, then antonyms. They're done in sequence. So if you're new to the channel and you want to start at the beginning and go step by step, go back to the first video. What are nouns? Then what are verbs? What are adjectives? It will really help your learning process grow. But today, our video, we're going to go over the grammar point, shades of meaning. I promise, the grammar point might seem or sound a little difficult, but I promise it is very easy to understand. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit the subscribe button below. To all you guys in my class, just hit the button, the thumbs up button below, just to let me know you have watched the video. Okay, let's get to the classroom and start today's lesson. That way. Bye. All right, let's get started with the video. So we're going to look at the grammar point, shades of meaning. Actually, if you watched our video, what are synonyms, that will make this video very easy. So if you haven't watched that video, go take a look at what are synonyms. If you know what a synonym is, just stay right here and you won't have any problem. So today, shades of meaning. This is actually a very useful and easy to understand grammar point. If you took a look at this scale here, this is a gray scale. All of these are the color gray, but you have light gray, then you have a medium gray, then you have a dark gray. They're all gray, but they're just different levels of gray. Dark gray, medium gray, light gray. Basically, shades of meaning are the same thing, just different strengths like dark, medium, and light. Another example, if I said to you, I am hungry, I am famished, I am starving, if you had to put that in order from strong, medium to weak, where would famished, hungry, starving goes? Now, of course, this might change a little bit depending on the person and the context of the sentence that they're using, but basically, you might have famished, which is more of a light gray. Then you might have hungry, which is a medium gray. And then starving would be a dark gray. All of these words, they're synonyms to each other, but the shade of meaning is a little bit different. They all kind of have a different feel. Famished, hungry, starving. They're different levels. Basically, that is all shades of meaning are. But we have to take a look at the definition, of course. Some words are alike, but they all have small differences in meaning. Those differences are called shades of meaning. Now, the reason that I think shades of meaning grammar point is very important, because I think to a lot of individuals new to learning English, they say to me, Alex, isn't hungry, starving, famished, doesn't it all mean the same thing? Yes and no. Now, what I mean by that is maybe this morning I had some eggs, bacon, chicken, pizza, French fries for breakfast. I really do like that. So imagine now that it is 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I just ate a lot of food 6 hours ago. So I'm a little bit famished. I'm a little bit hungry. I'm a little bit famished. But what if I didn't eat any breakfast this morning? I had dinner last night, but I didn't have breakfast this morning. And now it's 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I am hungry. Now let's imagine yesterday I didn't eat any food yesterday. The day before I didn't eat any food. 2 days I didn't eat any food. And today it's 12 noon. I am starving. Okay? So you see the difference there. Famished, I ate about 6 hours ago. Hungry, maybe I ate yesterday. But starving, maybe I ate 2 days ago. So yes, all of these words do mean the same thing, but the intensity, the power, the level, so those are all synonyms, the level of hunger is a little bit different. Starving is really hungry. Hungry is hungry, but famished, maybe just want some chips or pizza. But do you see what I'm saying? So shades of meaning just is the power, the intensity, the level of how you feel about that word. Now, of course, we're going to give you some examples to make things a lot clearer. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a word, and then you're going to have to guess the intensity of 2 words below. Let's do the first one together. Which word is more certain? Knowing or guessing? Example, I'll be happy knowing you arrived home safely. Or, I'll be happy guessing you arrived home safely. Which one of these words are more certain? Knowing or guessing? Which one do you think? Okay, if you said knowing, you are correct. I will be happy knowing you got home safely. So maybe you called me and you said, hey Alex, I got home, I'm okay. So now I know you got home okay. But guessing is more, I wonder if she's okay, I'm guessing. So these words do kind of mean the same. They are kind of synonyms. But the level of intensity, the level of power, it's a little bit different. Knowing versus guessing. Okay? Do you want to try to do one more together and then you do some on your own? Okay. All right, let's try one more together. Which is easier to fix? Something that's damaged or something that's destroyed? For example, my car was damaged. My car was destroyed. Now, if you look at both of these, damaged and destroyed, they are synonyms, but the shade of meaning is different. They both mean broken, but there's a huge difference between these two. What do you think is the correct answer? Okay, for this one, the answer is damage. For example, you're driving down the street, you're drinking McDonald's milkshake, strawberry, and you spill your milkshake on the seat, you damage your seat a little. But you can easily clean the seat, maybe some soap and water. It was damaged by the milkshake, but you can clean it easily. You can fix it easily. Something that is destroyed, you can't fix easily. So both of them do mean broken, but the level of intensity, the level of our grayscale, that dark to medium to light, is very different. So destroyed would be dark gray. Damage would be somewhere in the middle. Got it? All right, I want you to try some on your own. Okay, which is more forceful? Slamming a door, shutting a door? Example, slamming a door when you leave the house is important. Or shutting a door when you leave the house is important. So which one is more forceful? Which one is more powerful? All right, if you said slamming is more forceful, you are correct. When you slam a door, you shut it very, very hard. But when you shut a door, just very normal. So again, the only difference is the level, the power, the intensity that you do something. Both of these words are synonyms. They both mean the same thing, but the shade of meaning is a little bit different. All right, let's take a look at another one. Which one is better? Something pleasant or something delightful? For example, a stroll in a park is pleasant on a sunny day, or a stroll in the park is delightful on a sunny day. Now, one thing here, I had a student last year ask me, Alex, what is a stroll in a park? This is a great grammar point that kind of fits in with shades of meaning. So a stroll in a park, a walk in a park, it's the same thing. But the shade of meaning is a little different. If you're strolling in the park, maybe you're holding hands with your partner and you're just kind of walking and looking at the beautiful scenery, but you're not walking fast. Walking, you're just walking, a faster pace. So both of these words do mean the same, stroll and walk, but the shade of meaning, strolling is slower and walking is faster. Now that I told you about that, let's get back to the question. So in this one, which one is better? Pleasant or delightful? If you said a stroll in the park is delightful, that would be better. Now, of course, this might change a little bit dependent on the context of the conversation you're having with someone, but normally the shade of meaning, delightful, would be better than pleasant. For example, if your wife makes kimchi hamburgers, that is pleasant. I like kimchi, but it's not my favorite. If my wife made double cheese chili cheeseburgers, that would be pleasant because I would be more happy. Oh, not that I do love kimchi burgers. Thank you. They both are synonyms. They both do mean the same thing. It's just delightful. It's a little bit higher. It's better than pleasant. Okay, I hope you guys got a lot out of this video today. I really did enjoy making it. And again, if it was a little difficult to understand, please go back and watch the video. What are synonyms? That will really help you improve shades of meaning. Until I see you next time, aloha.